Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on the menu icon on top right corner, select your activity. Go to this section of recent searches and tap on clear all. Once you do that, the next time when you go to your searching section, you will not get a suggestion because everything that you have searched has been deleted. Next is you can go ahead do a quick algorithm tweaks. For that, you have to remove individual suggestions and start typing in the search bar. When the unwanted suggestions appear, tap the X to the right of the name and you're good to go. You can also go ahead and block the persistent account that you constantly get the suggestions for. They will not be mentioned anymore once you have blocked them. Next, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and reset your Instagram's algorithm by simply going to your profile and going to your menu. Then you're going to go to content preference from this section. Go ahead, go back and go to content preference. Once you go to content preference, you're going to go ahead, go to your algorithm, and you're going to go ahead, you can add or you can simply go ahead and remove some of them, and that way also you will be able to reset algorithm, which will also reset your suggestions when typing. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.